Well, should it be mandatory for you to register your bicycle in Gainesville? Several cities have a mandatory bicycle registration programs which require all residents to register in order to help in recovering stolen bikes. It looks like Gainesville could be next. TV 20's Nico Clemens tells us this once proposed ordinance may soon become a reality.
As city commissioners still discuss whether licenses should be required for bicycles, there's mixed emotions from many bicyclists I spoke with. Sade Allreed and her husband own 20 bicycles, so when it comes to possibly registering all her bikes, she's against it.
It's also, I feel like, a way to possibly take away the rights of cyclists. Say if you didn't have your bicycle registered and you got hurt in an accident, then would that mean that you wouldn't have the right to go to court? I think it opens up a lot of doors, unfortunately, for cyclists.
In a public safety meeting this week, GPD discussed reinstating a bicycle registration in Gainesville. In 1983, GPD had a mandatory bicycle registration, which forced anyone riding a bike on city streets to get a license. There was a $5 registration fee, and your bicycle was impounded for $1 if unregistered. The program was developed to assist law enforcement in the recovery of stolen bicycles.
I understand if it's a safety matter, but we already insure our bikes. So the argument that it helps to protect cyclists from getting their bikes stolen, that's not necessary for us.
According to GPD, many bicycle owners do not collect or record their serial numbers from their bicycle, and this makes it tough for law enforcement to locate a stolen bike. There are currently 3 cities in Florida that require bicycles to be registered: Fort Lauderdale, Daytona Beach, and St. Petersburg. Jerry Walker's bike is his transportation to and from work. He doesn't think the proposed law is fair.
The ones with the gas bikes and the electric bikes, I'm assuming that would be kind of a law. But just a regular bicycle, why charge a fee for a regular bicycle? Because that's mainly people that don't have license, that's how they get around.
Currently, GPD and the University of Florida Police Department offer free bicycle registration programs for both students and residents, something that Jerome Barton has already taken advantage of. His bike was stolen once before, so he's all in for mandatory registration, and he's not worried about the fee that may come.
No, I sure is not, because I think it should be a law to have this done, because they take your bike like they'll take your bike too.
Nico Clemens, TV 20 News.
And the proposed ordinance is going to the commission for discussion. That date, though, has not yet been determined.